Hey guys, today I've got a new wig for you guys. So this unit is from Nadula Hair. This is their body wave V part. However, we got something a little different for you today. So they just came out with their new rose net. Basically, you can touch your scalp with this V part. So unlike the previous mesh cap, it's not really breathable. This one is. So you don't have to worry about not being able to scratch your scalp if you need to, and you can wear this to the gym. It just feels so much better, you guys. So I wore this unit all Labor Day weekend, y'all, and it was a little bit warmer outside, and with that, my scalp got a little sweaty at times. But the reason why I was able to wear it back to back to back to back, which is something I don't typically do, is because I was able to just scratch my scalp if need be. I know it doesn't seem like a big deal, but for those who want to still be able to keep your wig on and maybe add some oil to your scalp, or you just need to get to it for whatever reason, you are able to with this particular unit, y'all. So anyways, I am blow drying this unit. I went on ahead and co-washed it just so that y'all could see it from start to finish. And now I'm just taking my favorite blow dryer and my paddle brush and blow drying it on. I think I did high heat actually for this wig. And then next I'm just gonna flat iron it using my Baby Bliss flat iron, and just do not super small sections because I didn't want this look to be like super flat. Even though this hair is really full, I just did it in big chunky sections and just kept the volume in it. So next I'm just gonna dust the ends, you guys. The hair is really full, it's feeling good, it's looking good. By the way, I do use my Aussie 3-Minute Miracle and the hydrating shampoo. I always use hydrating products on my wigs, no matter what kind of texture, no matter what texture the wig is. So after I went on ahead and dusted the ends, these are the products that I'm using for my hair. My hair has been in cornrows for about a month now. It's been just like this, you guys. I haven't really felt like bothering with my hair lately, so I just do my best to keep it moisturized, hydrated, and sealed. So I'm using a little bit of a leave-in spray, a little moisture cream from Bask, and then my Fro Butter Emu oil, and just sealing my hair on up. And then next I'm just gonna go ahead and lay my edges. Now you do have options, of course, when it comes to a V part. You guys, y'all can leave out the edges, so the perimeter of your hair, so that you're really getting an even more natural look. Of course, I just did the top of mine, but if you leave out the sides, it will just look even more natural, you guys. So that's always an option, but here I'm just going to lay these edges down. And then I always do this thing when I'm done with my hair. I do this right here to see how I would actually look, because I don't know, it's like being in a dressing room and you look a mess, like from the neck up, so you just kind of hide your face with your phone. I don't know, you guys, I don't know, that's just what I do. Next I'm just gonna pop this baby on using all the combs, and then I'm gonna go on to my leave out, and I'm actually using this Kristen S, something like that. I can't remember the name. I'll put it down below in the description box for you guys. I got it from Ulta, but it's a blow dry spray and a heat protectant all in one. I really like that on my natural hair. Like, I felt like it did such a great job with just like giving me some shine, which I struggle with. And I don't know, I only did one pass on my leave out as well. So yeah, anyway, it's just a random product for you guys. And I just added a little bit of what's that called? My wax stick to the wig, just to kind of keep the hair in place. And then I'm just using an eyebrow razor just to create some layers and frame my face a bit. And then I'm also using my T3 curling iron I was kind of going for that early 2000s look, sort of, kind of like just kind of curling it into my face, but I didn't really want to put that many layers in it, so I did the best I could. So one other thing I do want to mention is that this unit was a little bit big on me as far as the back goes. It wasn't too bad actually, but I did kind of feel a little bit of, well, not even a little bit, I did feel some space back there, which tends to happen to me, and I think maybe a good bunch of you guys when it comes to these V parts. It's like they're amazing, but I feel like they're just always a little bit too gappy. It's just too much space in the back. So I feel like they just need to just make these a little bit smaller, and I've been saying that for so long, or at least offer them in small, medium, and large sizes. So you guys, it's about to get cooler. It's already started to, the temperature actually just changed today in Connecticut, and I'm so excited. Let me know down below if you're excited for fall. Fall is actually my favorite season. I freaking love just the drop in temperature, not freezing cold, but just like sweater and boots kind of cold, and you can still enjoy outside. So yeah, just let me know if you're excited for it. And it's a great time to wear V parts, especially straight ones as well, because I get it that you're putting heat in your head, which is an option. You don't really have to put heat in your head, like as far as your leave out goes when it comes to a V part. There are other ways to get your hair straight if need be, but it's going to last a lot longer. So that definitely gets me excited. But yeah, anyways, I am just straightening, like you guys can see, very simple, my little leave out right here. And then I'm going to add a little bit more of my wax stick to my hands to kind of like fuse or mesh my hair and the wig all together, and also keep it from coming up and all that good stuff. And that's pretty much it for this look, you guys. Very easy, very straightforward, but also this is probably one of my favorite looks. And again, this rose net makes a huge difference to me, which is why I rock this wigs for days and days at a time so far. So anyways, I will leave all of the information down below in the description box for you guys, all the details on this unit from Nadula.